In the Mathlete competition, it's more of a learning experience for the younger kids, and we're just trying to help them learn about, more about math and what's going on and how they can solve more problems.
So they're doing word problems, and they're also doing some decoding with some math. And I think you're filling in, there's pictures, and you're filling them in with shapes or 3D shapes, and you just make them, and then if you get them right, you get a check mark. And we're just trying to get to a goal of 4,000 right questions.
There's a lot of tables around. There was a slideshow in the background, music playing all the time. All the teachers were jumping and clapping around, and it was just really positive.
I felt math was not my strongest subject, but I was okay at it. I feel like working as a group is a lot easier than working alone. I feel like my confidence in math has improved because all the different challenges in the competition, it makes math a lot easier to remember.
I feel a lot better about it and that it's a lot easier now. I feel like I'm more confident in math because I learned that teamwork can help a lot.
I actually had someone who was struggling, and I just told them that it's okay, I'm here for a reason. I'm here to help them if they need help. I'm here to answer questions, give them advice.
The kids usually raise their hand and say, can you read it, so I can explain it in better words so they understand more, and then they usually get it.
I'd like to thank Coach Kennedy and Miss Whale for setting this all up.
And we all would like to thank the Parent Council for helping fund this competition.